Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew sauce for rice. First, select ripe, firm tomatoes, bell peppers, and onions for the base. Next, choose your protein. Chicken, beef, or fish work wonderfully. Ensure all ingredients are prepped and ready before you begin cooking. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient cooking process, leading to a truly delicious stew. Now, let's build that rich flavor base. Start by heating about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot. Add your chopped onions and sauté them until they become soft and translucent, which usually takes around 5 minutes. Then, introduce minced garlic and ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until their wonderful aroma fills your kitchen. This step is crucial for a deep, savory taste. Once your aromatic base is ready, it's time to add the blended tomatoes and bell peppers. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring all ingredients are well combined. Next, gently add your protein, whether it's chicken, beef, or fish, making sure it's fully coated in the developing sauce. Season with 1 teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of thyme, and salt to your preference. Let it simmer for 25 minutes. Finally, let your stew simmer on low heat for another 15 to 20 minutes, allowing it to thicken to your desired consistency. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding a pinch of sugar if the tomatoes are a bit too tart. Serve this flavorful stew hot over fluffy white rice for a truly satisfying meal. For more great deals, and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade stew.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.